Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. Tuesday, November 21. Our market closed higher today, up 25.20 points or up 0.40% to close at 6,208.83. Value turnovers at 3.8 billion pesos. So choppy session. No? So before ending in the green. No? So sectors were mixed with financials gaining 1%. So BDO is the top index mover today, up 1.93%. Anyway, Aboitiz Power signed a joint venture agreement between a Norwegian firm, Scatec. No? So it's good that Norwegian firms are supporting Aboitiz Power. No? It was just few years ago that Norges Fund, one of the biggest sovereign fund, sold Aboitiz Power because of their exposure in coal. Tapos ngayon, nakipag-partner naman yung mga Norwegian firms kay Aboitiz Power. I find that redundant. No? So they're joining forces with National Power Corporation for a watershed conservation undertaking in Benguet. Philinvest, by the way, mentioned that they already completed the payment of the 10-year fixed rate retail bonds worth around 2.7 billion pesos, FYI. So its mother company naman, FDC, Philinvest Development Corporation, is planning to raise up to 32 billion from fixed rate bond issuance. So everyone's borrowing money right now. Walang appetite, walang pera ang market. So this is also the reason why Felix, kahit ang ganda ng prospect nila, yung Silangan mine nila, they also signed a $100 million syndicated debt facility to fund the ongoing mine development program. So of course, it was not mentioned kung magkano interest rates, but $100 million utang yan, debt facility yan . So several arrangers there, BDO. It was just a few years ago that they were able to raise funds through their stock rights offering 3 pesos and 15 centavos. This is also the reason na ang hirap umakyan. There's a surplus in shares above 3 pesos and 15 centavos. Si Double Dragon, we already discussed that the special purpose acquisition company, SPAC. So they're looking to raise at least backdoor sa US via Nasdaq listing. Si ASEN Renewable, by the way, partnered with Zuilig Pharma to supply 100% of renewable energy to at least 2 of the key distribution facilities in the country. FYI lang, Si Dennis Uy naman ng Phoenix widened its net loss to around 3.68 billion the first 9 months of the year as gross revenue dropped by more than half. So lagi niya sinasabi pandemic. Yung dito naman return to sender na. The past few weeks, it's one of the hottest stock in the market, surging up to 3 pesos. Tapos nung nag-block sale doon, yan, return to sender. It will take some time for them to return to become profitable. I think 2028 pa. So right now, they're losing money. Talagang definitely with the entry of the new investors, there's a lot of potential there kung makakaantay ka until 2028, 2029. So Greenergy also got a global investment banker as its chairman, si Stevenomics. It's one of the top performing stock right now. Of course, coming from a low base yan . So they're also listing some of the fully paid unlisted shares. But I don't know what's going on there. Yung AHANI, yan, continues to drop. Tapos yan, umaakyat. ECBC, they also announced their earnings. So it's a turnaround company, from losing money right now. Let's see how the market will react. So they're already making money, at least for the East Coast Vulcan Group. Of course, cash cow talaga ng cash cow yan . They're giving dividends. Anyway, Ftse rebalancing announcement today. So these are the at least inflow. The biggest outweight for San Miguel Group will have an upweight of $9.4 million. Bloomberry will have an upgrade of $5.9 million. CNPF $3.8 million, Areit $1.8 million, and the biggest downgrade will be Manila Water with a downgrade of 0.59% or $1.2 million. This is effective at the close of December 15. Wala pumapansin masyado sa Ftse, so nothing to react there, no? But FYI lang, kinikwento ko lang naman, no? So anyway, our passcode for today is Ftse rebalancing, no? So yung A rate na yun, no, continues to drop, no? So there will be another round of dividend this coming November 30. Current yield is around 7%. Which is not much kasi for lesser risk instrument, they're already giving 6.5%. That's why the market is reacting to that, no? So, but the recent news there is, of course, there will be an issuance of shares, no? Areit and Buendia Christiana Holdings, it's under ASEN, no? Will have a share swap or execute a property for share swap wherein Areit will issue around 200 million primary common shares to Buendia Christiana Holdings, no, for their industrial land with an aggregate size of around 2.7 million square meters located in Zambales, being valued around 6.77 billion pesos, no? So the issue price is around 34 pesos. Boitis Equity Ventures and Coca-Cola signed a definitive agreement to acquire Coca-Cola beverage, no? So the target acquisition is next year, no? So Union Bank announced its dual tranche 1.5 million and 3-year bond offering with bond exchange option for holders of its Series C bonds. I think yan yung interest rates na 6.5 no? So lesser risk yan than equities. GSIS, well, by the way, will be infusing up to 11 billion to petrochemical segment to beef up its operations, no? So yun lang naman, no? So passcode for today is Ftse rebalancing. Again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.